Once all the equipment is set up, now we proceed with charging and ventilation. First, this loading machine is this one. The hoist only needs to be charged with this one device. This is the power supply. Just connect this power supply directly to your power source. This is enough. Plug this directly into the power source. Then the remaining ultrasonic welding machine. Inside the machine cabinet, there is a power strip. For the power strip, the vibration feeder here has 2 wires. Plug these directly into the power strip. These are the 2 switches for the vibration feeder. And the power supply wire for the power strip is the same. Connect it to your power line. The 220V power supply. There is also a wire inside here. There is this kind of wire inside. This wire comes out from this port. It comes out from this connector. After coming out, connect it to the buffer wood materials connector. There is a label here. This is number 7. 7 to 7. There are also detailed labels 1, 2, 3. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, connect properly. Yes, just plug it in. The loading machine is now connected. Next is the white tape welding machine. For this white tape, there is a plug here. We will take it out. This plug goes directly here. Plug it directly into the ultrasonic welding machine. There is a label here. Here it is marked. The positive matches. Match accordingly. Plug it in, and then there are labels here as well. This machine. Also inside, there is a point. Inside the white tape welding, there is another wire here. Yes, also look, there is a cable here. It goes into this port. Okay, after we thread it in, connect it to this one. Insert it into the forming machine's connector here. For the forming machine, there are 2 such plugs. Basically, this is composed of 2 wires. Look, there is number 8 and number 9. 8 to 8. After plugging 8 to 8, match the colors accordingly. Let me take a look. Good. 8 to 8, color to color. Then 9 to 9, color to color. Okay, this connection is complete. This one. Then for the forming, we have this set of connectors underneath the forming device. There is a similar set here. Here. The forming machine has a set like this. Plug it in here. right?